for crafts.
Welcome back, everyone. As you can see, I am a little cold. That's because in addition to being in a new year, we're also in a new season. Does anyone know what season we're in? You got it. We're in the season of winter. In the winter, it gets really, really cold. Now, I don't live where there is a lot of snow during the winter, so I've got a special surprise for you. Today, I'm gonna make snow that I can play with and something that you might be able to play with at home too. So, follow along with me. The supplies you're gonna need for today is baking soda, cornstarch, and water. That's it. So let's get right on in and make some snow. So for our fake snow, I'm gonna use a tray, but you can also use a bowl and transfer it to a tray afterwards. So, like I said, we're going to need some baking soda and some cornstarch. Now, first you're gonna start by pouring equal amounts of cornstarch. Equal means you're gonna do the same amount of cornstarch and the same amount of baking soda onto your tray. You can measure if that works best for you. But I'm just going to pour what looks like the same amount onto my tray. Great. Next, I'm going to start mixing the baking soda and cornstarch with my fingers. This feels so soft and so fluffy already, just like snow. All right, now after you've got a good mix of your cornstarch and baking soda, you'll add a little bit of water. But here's a tip. Make sure to add the water very slowly. And if you end up with a mixture that's too runny, you can just add a little bit more of the baking soda and cornstarch. All right, so I'll add mine a little bit slow. All right, you want to add just enough water so that when you squeeze some of the mixtures in your hands, you can form a ball. All right, I'm gonna use a little bit more water. Don't worry if you get a little messy. Snow can be messy sometimes too. All right, so you can keep pouring, mixing, and crumbling your fake snow until you have the perfect snowy consistency. And look, I was even able to make a ball. And you don't need a pair of gloves to enjoy this fun activity. All right, once you're done making your snow, there are so many different things that you can do. friends. That was so much fun, and I got a little messy, as I'm sure you did too. So before we move on to our next activity, go wash your hands. Remember, 20 seconds, get those hands clean, and meet me back here. All right, I'll see you in a sec.